Oh my gosh, they shipped my package. Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay.
It's recording.
Alright, so we got a special package from Edge. Let's find out what's in there. Damn, look at this. Look at this. Special hookup from Edge. We got CTS2 Edge monitor, or CTS2 Evolution. This is for a gas truck. And we've got a CTS2 Insight. This one is for my Duramax. And we also have a, whatever this is, I forgot what it is. This is for my EGT. And this was actually their idea. They recommended it to me. And they're like, hey, we'll send it to you and you can install it and do a review. So shout out to Edge. Oh, what is this? I'm in a Denali. No guys, I did not get a new truck. No, I didn't get a new truck, but I'm in Peter's Denali. The reason why I'm in this truck is because Peter's having some sort of like issues with his one of the sensors. So he has to take it to dealer options so that way dealer options can email BDS about the sensor that's been messing up. So Peter's at work and I'm off today. So by the time he got off, you know, dealer options would be closed. So he asked me if I could take his truck there for him, and I said sure. And I get to drive his truck and he gets to drive my Duramax. I am so scared. First impression, I think this is the first time I've driven this truck. It is so smooth. It is also so quiet. It's kind of nice, actually. Let's go, let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I see you, 6.2 liter. It accelerates pretty fast for, you know, 35s. It also helps that he has 8-speed transmission. Listen to this Denali growl. Ready? I'm gay. Working hard or hardly working?
I don't know, you tell me.
Did you look under there?
A few inches later.
Take this fender liner out and find the problem instead of
This Asian man has orange beard.
He's
Look
a
at it.
leprechaun.
You're Scotch Korean.
Just look at it. Do you dye your beard?
Not a chance.
That's a man's beard.
And I don't have one. Because I'm a man.
Good if you wanted.
I'm a...
No, the red truck.
Yeah.
Caleb, you like trucks?
Yeah.
Caleb, you like trucks?
Huh?
You like trucks?
The car though, not the truck.
Caleb, the truck. Take a picture of the truck.
Oh, yeah.
This one. There you go. Good job. Good job, buddy.
Hi.
Nice.
Nice.
Good job.
High five.
Uppercut.
High five.
Alright. Good job. High five. Caleb, you like trucks?
Yeah.
Caleb, you like trucks? Alrighty, leaving dealer options. They looked at it, they took some pictures. They're gonna email BDS and try to figure out what's causing that StabiliTrak light to go off. And right now I'm meeting up with Peter. This would be his first time driving my Duramax, so I'm gonna ask him how he liked it. He always talks about how it's just old and whatnot, so let's see if he liked it. There's my truck. What a parking. I can't really say anything either, because... Yo, how you like my truck?
Hey, cute truck, dude. Cute truck.
Oh man, it's so small in this BMW, right?
Oh, man.
Oh man, it's so tiny. Oh man, it's so embarrassing, isn't it? Right? Caleb, your dad's car is so embarrassing.
It's the,
Wow.
Oh, man.
Oh man, that's you, buddy. That's you.
Huh?
Huh?
You.
You. Hey, say Ford sucks.
Oh, God.
That's right, my boy. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna do the unboxing video of this CTS2 Insight for my Duramax. We're doing it right in front of Target. Target. All right, let's get this started. I do want to give a shout out to Edge for sending me this product. They didn't have to do this, but they wanted me to do a review for this particular programmer. 1 minute, son. All right, so let's take a look at what's inside the box. All right, first things first. Some stickers, instructions, and all the other Edge products. And then we have the Edge Insight. And then let's take a look at what else we have. All the wires and some zip ties. All right, let's go ahead and install this. Oh wait, one more. One more. Mounts, or one mount. That's it. Alrighty, let's go. Follow me. What's up, Caleb? Say what's up. Alright, so first thing is first, I'm gonna try to figure out where I'm gonna mount this. I currently have a stupid little backup camera right here. Excuse all the wiring. This is a temporary thing. I'm gonna wait till I put the wiring kit from Boost Auto. I'm just gonna clean all this up, so don't give me crap, okay? It's just temporary. It's been here for like almost 2 months now, but it's temporary, okay guys? I'm gonna clean it up. Anyway, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to hook up my backup camera to either wire it to either my radio or my Edge Insight. I have one of these now. I am so excited. Edge, thank you so much. Thank you so much for hooking me up. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it right here for now. Right there for now. Yeah, so what you wanna do is get the mount, which is right here. And it's a suction cup mount, so it should get sucked up right to the windshield. All right. So what's really cool about this Insight for my Duramax is that I can switch the tunes. I have the EFI Live tuned by PPEI. There's 5 different tunes, and I should be able to switch tunes with this. Honestly, I don't really know how to do it yet. I'm gonna figure it out, and I'm gonna go through it with you guys, okay? So what we're gonna do is, it comes with a alcohol pad. No, you cannot drink this. It's just a pad. You're supposed to use it to clean the windshield. So like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, like that. And then, let's see, I'm just gonna clean my phone real quick. Cleaning my phone. Oh yeah, much needed. There we go. So that should be good. This should be a good position. And then just gonna tighten up this little thing right here once you figure out where you want to put it and angle it properly. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alright. Woo! So satisfying. Alright. Next, all the wires. I do believe this one is only needed if you're gonna update something to the edge. And then this is what you really need. This is gonna go to your OBD plug, and then it's actually gonna power on your edge device. So this is how we're gonna do it. All right, that's it. And then if I crank up my truck, oh no, I don't even have to crank up my truck, it just powers on. That's it. Well, let's just crank it up anyway. Frick. Alright, so we're just gonna set it up. It's asking, make sure the ignition is on or run position. Yes. Initializing device. It's gonna take a minute. Damn, that actually scared me. Loading gauges. That's it. Huh?
You gonna dance with some chick? Dance.
Alright, let's figure out if I know how to change the tunes. Let's see.
Anjo.
Wow. Did you hear that? Again? What is this?
Video? Take a video like get the motor.
Alright, so I was curious. I just ran the injector balance rate on this truck. And I think from what TruckMaster was saying that I think from what the TruckMaster was saying that if it was like below negative 2 point something or negative something, it's the injector is not running like it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna have to get that one looked at. So other than that, I think it's all good. You struggling, bruh? Struggling, bruh? Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. I'm gonna figure out how to use this thing and then I'll do like an in-depth tutorial, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got, and I have another surprise coming for you guys later this week, and I'll do like an in-depth my tune video later this week. Alright, peace.
Peace.
Peace. Hit the camera.
Peace.
Hit the camera. Hit the camera.